Maintaining a clean pool isn't a simple job, just like clearing out leaves to scrub walls and floors. At least the home robotic industry has focused intensively to scour solutions for wall floors where the robot can crawl and clean. But swamping out the deep surface of water underneath of any depth of pool requires a careful technique and method. Without splashing the water out or completely emptying it, Beatbot hopes to make that feasible, as their company stands out as a pioneer in the robotic pool maintenance sector. They brought a technology so advanced that it transforms the mundane task of pool cleaning into a hands-free, automated process. Forget about other cleaners that only handle the pool's bottom or surface. Beatbot manages to do both using a chamber that fills with water to sink the bot like a submarine and floating back up when done. Today, we will uncover the journey of Beatbot, exploring how a simple idea evolved into a range of products that are now changing the way we maintain our pools. After helping friends clean their pools, Beatbot's founders realized it was a lot of work. It involves a great deal of work, from selecting the right vendor and closing the pool for an uncertain time to emptying the pool and refilling it, while letting other activities be rest assured, including vast cleaning. Besides, money and time come as a big commitment, which are often hard to maintain. But the founders want to ensure you can clean the pool, squandering less time and taking delight in more fun inside the pool. They wanted to make pool care easier for everyone, so they did research and surveys worldwide, finding that the majority of these pool owners faced challenges. They saw a lack of smart pool care technology. That's why Beatbot was created with a simple mission: to solve pool care problems and make it hassle-free. Beatbot uses advanced technology to create efficient and easy-to-use pool care solutions. They talk to users and study the pool care industry to understand what people need. With insights from research and surveys with over 100,000 users globally, Beatbot's innovations make pool care smarter and more enjoyable for everyone. Beatbot has introduced two fantastic products: Beatbot AquaSense and Beatbot AquaSense Pro. Both aims to make pool care a breeze. The Beatbot AquaSense is a smart robotic pool cleaner that uses advanced technology like quad-core 1.8 GHz processor to make your pool subtly clean. To simplify pool maintenance, with its artificial intelligence for efficient navigation, it offers an easy and user-friendly solution for pool owners from a range of types of cleaning such as floor scrubbing, wall climbing, and waterline cleaning. With 15 smart sensors, it boasts 150 micrometers finer filtration. Wondering over manual controlling? Absolutely not. You can use its app to navigate the cleaning path visualization, on which you can opt for your desired cleaning modes. Stepping up the game, Beatbot has launched the Beatbot AquaSense Pro. This all-in-one robotic pool cleaner displayed at CES 2024 brings enhanced features to redefine pool cleaning standards. With its advanced 9 motors, it comes with 2 more additional features of the Beatbot AquaSense: water clarification system and water surface cleaning. It means this robotic cleaner can go to an extent of cleaning where others fail. With these products and the handy smartphone app, you can clean your pool easily. Besides, it has lots of sensors, like dual gyroscopes and ultrasonic sensors. It's also got 4 brushes and 2 filters, making it super easy for the robot to move around in the water. It can scrub surfaces and filter out tiny particles as small as 150 micrometers. The best part is that you can get up to 9 hours for surface cleaning, and it's completely wireless. Unlike other robotic cleaners, you won't have to deal with wires getting tangled or stopping the robot from reaching all parts of your pool. Beatbot's success in the world of pool care robotics is not just about cool gadgets, but also about the amazing technologies that make them work. Beatbot uses the fancy technologies in a practical way, and they've done this with every product they've made. First up, there's the Clever Nav smart navigation system. This makes Beatbot's robots clean your pool super fast, up to 50% faster than other robots. Then, there are the advanced AI algorithms, the robot's brainpower for figuring out the best way to clean. They make sure every part of the pool gets cleaned while using less energy, which is good for the environment. They also boast many patented industry-first features, such as SonicSense ultrasonic AI pool mapping and obstacle avoidance. Memory Park Smart Return, NanoDrive 9 motor system, and more. The 5-in-1 cordless cleaning system is another cool thing in AquaSense Pro. Thanks to this, Beatbot products can clean the pool floor, walls, waterline, surface, and performing water clarification. They help in scrubbing the pool, skimming away debris, and making the water crystal clear. People love it, and it's a big reason why Beatbot's products are so popular. Beatbot is also great at making their robots move smoothly. They can climb walls and move precisely, no matter the size or shape of the pool. And they're actually very easy to handle because they're cordless and lightweight. To make things even cooler, Beatbot has an app that lets you control your pool cleaning from your phone. It's like having a remote control for your pool. With all these cool technologies, Beatbot isn't just making pool cleaning easier, they're changing how we see home robots. Beatbot started like any other startup, facing challenges while perfecting their technology and finding the right market. Beatbot believes in using technology to make pool care easy, fun, and sustainable. Beatbot is a technology brand which prides itself on its pioneering core technologies, holds numerous patents, and has introduced several industry-first innovations. With an elite R&D team in robotics, Beatbot pioneers advanced hardware and software solutions to solve your pool problems. They aim to lead the way with innovative and tech-driven products. Beatbot partners with top-notch supply chain leaders, ensuring over 100 million intelligent products vouch for their expertise. Rigorous testings and more than 11 certifications guarantee reliability, making Beatbot a trusted choice for pool care. Currently, they hold over 131 patents, including 51 patents for inventions. Their products focus on energy efficiency, and they use recycled materials in packaging, holding an industry-first TPCH certification for environmental compliance. Beatbot's goal is to make sure your pool stays refreshing and environmentally responsible. Released at the CES Exhibition 2024, Beatbot positioned themselves as an influential player in pool care and home robotics. These exhibitions not only solidified Beatbot's brand presence, but also proved its ability to meet evolving market needs. By staying at the forefront of technological advancements, Beatbot is shaping the future of pool robotics. Moving forward, Beatbot aims to be a leader in integrating robotics into everyday home environments, charting a new course for the future of home robotics with each product release and exhibition. The vision of Beatbot is to address industry challenges, boost performance, and provide a hassle-free pool care experience. As we look to the future, Beatbot is poised to continue leading the way in pool care robotics. The pool of tomorrow is not just cleaner, but smarter, and Beatbot is at the forefront of this transformation.